Hello, so here we are with yet another unboxing video, and it seems like I'm doing more of these recently, which I kind of am. However, when I got my last Corningiana, I wasn't necessarily convinced that it was a pure Corningiana due to the fact that if you ever look online, like if you search Corningiana and look at the pictures, you will see no orange Phalaenopsis Corningiana. And if you search Phalaenopsis Corningiana alba, you will find no Phalaenopsis Corningiana alba. And if you search Phalaenopsis Corningiana flava, which is usually what they call the yellow ones, you will see nothing that looks like my orchid. And especially I was thinking that the lip, hold on, just taking out the packing slip, especially the lip. The lip looks nothing like any Phalaenopsis Corningiana that I've seen on the internet. So here I ordered a Phal Corningiana from Seattle Orchids. This is something. Oh, this is the actual plant. I forgot that they sent it bare root, so this is just packing paper. Oop. Okay, so it did say on the website that these are imports, so I'm hoping that it's not raggedy, because that would be unfortunate. Oh, well, it's not totally bare root. Whenever they say bare root, I'm always imagining like literally a Vanda with nothing around the roots. So here it is. And I will say that ooh! Look at this. And I will say that Phal Corningiana is a pretty variable species. But if you, like I said, I've never seen an orange one. And I do like the color orange. It's my favorite color, so I'm not mad at the orchid, or even mad that I got it. But I do want a Phal Corningiana that is red, because that is how I know Phal Corningianas to look like. Okay, so here's the orchid. Oh, well, it doesn't look the best, but the roots are all still alive, which is great. Right there we have a growing root tip. Sorry, my dogs are being lame if you can hear them in the background, but hopefully the background music will cover up their incessant barking. Yeah, I mean, the roots look okay. It's not the most well-rooted orchid I've ever seen in my life. But it's got a flower spike. And the roots don't look terrible. Like, they're not mushy or anything like that. So yeah, here's my Phal Corningiana from Seattle Orchids. Here's the label, which has the website as well. Nothing on the back. Okay, and there was my unboxing. Actually, let me tidy this up for the end shot. Okay, so here we are. This is my Phalaenopsis Corningiana. Hopefully, it is a true to-form Corningiana that is red with a dark purple lip from Seattle Orchids. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.